Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you could send a 7-zip file from your laptop or PC to your mobile phone using the Bluetooth. To begin, make sure to turn on the Bluetooth in your mobile phone. As a next step, click on the search tab or the search bar and type Bluetooth. Click on the Bluetooth and other devices settings to open. Click on the Bluetooth button to turn on. Here you see it's off. Now it's on. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Click on the first option, Bluetooth Mice Keyboards. Wait few seconds until your mobile phone appears and click on it to pair it. You will be prompted in your mobile phone to accept the pairing or the connection. Just click Pair. Click Now Connect in the laptop and click Done. Next step, go back to your file, right-click on it, select Send to, and click on Bluetooth device. Select your mobile phone and click Next. Accept document in your mobile phone, as you'll be prompted to accept the receiving of the file. Once done, it should show file successfully transferred. You can click Finish, and you can go to mobile phone and verify the document. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.